Was it hard to you to leave your family and friends?
No, it actually wasn't. I'm at this stage. I'm fairly used to being away from my family and my friends. I do a lot of I do a lot of traveling. In the summers, I travel a lot, and a lot of my friends that I would have known at home have moved on to different places, and we're all in different parts of the world at this stage. But we keep in contact with WhatsApp and Facebook, so I can message them no problem if I need to. Or Viber is there as well, free calls to wherever in the world. Yeah, so it wasn't really difficult. I just got up and left. You know, I didn't have too much time to think about it. Yeah.
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Ireland, Republic of Ireland.
But what part of Ireland?
What part of Ireland? It's a town called Killarney. It's in the southwest of the country. Very popular tourist town actually. Killarney, yeah, I think we've been ranked number one a couple of times as the best town to go to in Ireland. We have lots of lakes and monuments. Tourists love it. In the summer, the place is just buzzing with tourists. Lots of nice restaurants. It's a good part of Ireland, yeah.
What did you think about Spain before your coming?
What did I think of Spain? I'd always had an interest in Spain. I have a few Spanish friends. I had some normal stereotypes, typical stereotypes that people from Ireland would have. Like, what did I think? I thought sunny weather, the beach, what else? Some various things like, flamenco dancing and like basically as a holiday destination, but I knew it wouldn't really be like that when I arrived here, I just had the usual stereotypes that people have.
And
Yeah.
what do you think about it now?
About Spain now, I've really I think I've got a good insight into the real Spain now. I've realized that Spain is divided into so many different cultures. Like here in Galicia is very different to what I've been told in Andalusia, and then other places you have Catalonia and stuff. But what I think about it now is I think the people are quite relaxed. You have a lot of fiestas that I've enjoyed. I think Spanish people know how to enjoy themselves, and they're able to relax at an occasion. They know how to enjoy themselves without going too crazy. They can handle their drink, and that you can enjoy yourself over nice food. You've got a lot of nice food here. What else do I think about it? Definitely, I don't have. I think come to think of it now, if you're from Ireland, you don't really have an idea of what the real Spain is like unless you live here. Certainly, like my family now, for example, they wouldn't have a clue what Spain is like unless you actually come here, But I think it's a great place, People are very friendly. They're always willing to help you. Well, people I've met anyway. what do I think? One thing I can't get used to is the shops closing from 2 to 5 for lunch. I don't think I will ever get used to that, because you would just have to plan ahead and, like, you know.
And do you like speaking other languages?
Do I like speaking other languages? Yes. One reason for coming to a foreign country is to be in that different environment where you don't have a choice, you just have to speak it. So before coming to Spain, I got off the plane in Spain and I realized I couldn't even order a
Do
coffee.
you like working here?
Yes, I really like working here in Posumus. It's been totally different to what I've normally been doing. I have a huge variety of students from 3 years old up to 16, 17, and it gives me a massive, wide variety of experiences on a daily basis. I'm not too stressed out with the work. I think it's fairly relaxed. I mean, as a English native speaker, I don't have to think or anything. I just try and help out, and I hope the students can learn some things other than what you might learn in a book, you know. But working here in the school, everybody is helpful, you know. I've never felt like I didn't want to go to work, you know. Just show up and do my best. Yeah. So